Have you already replaced your spark plugs and ignition coils, but your engine is still misfiring? If you're wondering what's causing the problem, you're not alone. In this video, we'll cover the most common issues that can still trigger engine misfires even after those parts have been replaced, so you can find the real cause and fix it for good. Let's dive in. 1. Faulty spark plug wires. Even if you've installed brand new spark plugs and ignition coils, worn or damaged spark plug wires can still prevent enough voltage from reaching the plugs. This results in weak or inconsistent sparks that can easily cause engine misfires. That's why it's important to inspect the ignition wires for cracks, wear, corrosion, or loose connections to make sure they're delivering power properly. 2. Malfunctioning fuel injectors. A bad fuel injector can also be responsible for ongoing misfires. Even with new spark plugs and ignition coils, an injector that delivers too much or too little fuel will disrupt combustion inside the cylinder. This throws off the air-fuel mixture and causes the engine to misfire. So don't overlook the fuel injectors when diagnosing the problem. 3. Fuel supply problems. The fuel delivery system should also be checked. A weak fuel pump or a clogged fuel filter can reduce the amount of fuel reaching the engine. Even with new ignition components, an inadequate fuel supply creates an improper air-fuel mixture, which often results in engine misfires. 4. Low fuel pressure. Another possible cause is insufficient fuel pressure. Even after replacing the spark plugs and ignition coils, low fuel pressure can indicate that the engine isn't receiving enough fuel for efficient combustion. Without the correct fuel pressure, misfires can continue because the cylinders aren't getting the fuel they need. 5. Air intake restrictions or leaks. Problems within the air intake system can also lead to persistent misfires. A clogged air filter, damaged intake hose, or vacuum leak can disturb the airflow entering the engine. When the engine receives the wrong amount of air, the air-fuel mixture becomes unbalanced, leading to combustion issues and repeated misfires. 6. Ignition timing problems. Incorrect ignition timing is another common reason misfires continue. Whether it's caused by sensor failures or mechanical timing issues, timing that is too advanced or too retarded can prevent the air-fuel mixture from igniting at the correct moment. This results in incomplete combustion and ongoing engine misfires. 7. Low engine compression. Finally, don't ignore engine compression. If one or more cylinders have low compression, the air-fuel mixture won't be compressed enough for efficient combustion. Even with brand new spark plugs and ignition coils, the engine can still struggle to ignite the mixture properly, causing repeated misfires. If your engine is still misfiring after replacing the spark plugs and ignition coils, there's a good chance one of these issues is the real culprit. Start checking each of these areas one by one, and you'll be much closer to solving the problem. If you have any questions or you're dealing with a specific misfire issue, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful automotive guide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.